Let's unbox my first ever Lolita style dress. This collection has 3 pieces, a headscarf, a cloak, super adorable. The dress can be worn by itself as one piece. The original pricing for the set was about $90. All of the fabric was good quality, there were no raw edges, everything was serged, and the outfit design was super cute. I did have to cut open the buttonholes with my seam ripper, but no problem. They did do such a good job lining up all the plaid. Here's the dress on me, keeping in mind that I'm about 5'9". Let's add a petticoat that I made. That gives me more volume for this full skirt. Here it is with the other 2 pieces.